Hello guys, this is Room Tips. Today I show you how to create a passcode on YouTube Kids. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube Kids and click on right corner, OK, and click on Set My Own Passcode. 16 and click on Submit. Enter a 4-digit passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm your passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. New passcode set. You can always go to settings to change later. OK. Singing timer settings feedback. Click on settings. Delete passcode. Change passcode. Click on back. Alright. Check passcode and click on right corner OK. Parents only. To access, please enter your passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all.